Hello everyone, welcome to Basic Electronics Virtual Laboratory tutorial. Today we will learn the practicals related to basic electronics. So go to list of experiments. First practical that we will simulate is Ohm's law. You can learn the theory about Ohm's law from here. And the objective of this practical is that at the end of experiment the student would be able to explain and measure Ohm's law. In the verification of Ohm's law, click on Ohm's law. A window will be open. In this window, on the left hand side, there is a list of instructions. We have to follow these instructions for the simulation of Ohm's law. First is set the resistance value. The maximum value of resistance is 100 kilo ohm. So we can vary the value of resistance from 1 to 100 kilo ohm. Second is set DC voltage. The range of DC voltage is 0 to 30 volt, so we can vary this value from 0 to 30 volt. Third is voltmeter is placed in parallel to resistor and ammeter in series with resistor. We all know that to measure potential across a component we have to place voltmeter in parallel to it, and to measure current ammeter should be in series. Fourth is, now note the voltmeter and ammeter reading for DC voltage. Now we will set the value of DC volt and measure the value of current for a particular value of resistance. Fifth is, change the value of DC voltage and note down the readings of voltmeter and ammeter by keeping the value of resistance as a constant. Point number 6, plot the VI graph to verify Ohm's law. Repeat these steps to make an experimental table, and at last we will see that V versus I graph is a straight line. So let's start the simulation of Ohm's law. First, we fix the value of resistance to 11 kilo ohm and initial voltage is 0. So the value of ammeter or current in ammeter is 0. Add these values to the experimental table. Now change the value of DC voltage. For 1 volt the value of current is 0.09. Add this value. Change the value of DC voltage. So simply by changing the value of DC volt, the value of current will change, and we have to add these values into the experiment table. So we will repeat this step for at least 10 values, so we will get a good graph between voltage and current. As we all know that we can increase our DC voltage from 0 to 30, so we will make a list of around 10 values. So all is good. Now the resistance value is 100 kilo ohm, and we have made an experimental table for different values of voltage and current. Now click on the tab plot. So a graph, a plot between voltage and current is this for resistance. This graph shows that there is a linear relation between voltage and current for R equal to 11 kilo ohm. So this verifies our Ohm's law for a resistor. Thank you.